Good morning, children, and I want to show you sedimentation, decantation and filtration as well as loading, right? And for this I have taken a beaker filled with water and a soil. Okay, now I'm going to add soil in the beaker. Okay, and we'll see, you can see that if I will stir the mixture, okay, it is somewhat you can see that the particles are suspending, the soil particles are moving, right? And the water is not clear now. Okay, it is not so pure, it is actually muddy, right? Now what is sedimentation? If I will leave this beaker, okay, for some time, what I will see, that the solid particles, the soil particles being insoluble in water, they settle down after some time. Okay, so I want to show you a beaker, okay, which I have done the same way, and you will see clearly that the soil particles, they have settled down, okay, but not all. Okay, so this process is known as sedimentation, right? This is actually which has settled down is sediment, right? And the water is not very clear, okay, but it is much better than this, right? Now I'm going to pour the clear, I'm trying to pour the liquid, okay, by keeping in mind that no soil particle which have already settled down is enter in another beaker. So this method is what? Decantation, right? This is what? Decantation, right? But you will see that the water is not very clear. Okay, so I think sedimentation and decantation is clear to you. Now what is filtration? For filtration, I told you explain you two terms, filtrate and residue, right? And what we need to use is a filter paper for filtration, okay? But we right now I don't have a filter paper, so I'm showing you filtration with the help of this. Okay, it is made up of cotton, okay, this fabric, and you can see there are some spaces. Is it clear to you? You can see that there are fine pores. ये दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? Fine pores दिख रहे होंगे. Okay, weaving pattern आपको पता चल रहा होगा, right? और अगर मेरे पास एक और फैब्रिक है, उन दोनों में हम देखते हैं कि कौन सा फिल्ट्रेशन ज़्यादा अच्छा कर पाता है, right? एक ये मेरे पास ये वाला है, इसमें आप देखेंगे, you will easily see. दिख रहा है आपको? The size is much bigger in comparison to this white hanky that I have taken, right? दिख पा रहा है आपको? I have actually light इसमें fall कर रही है तो थोड़ा. Okay, now let's start. First of all, I am using this piece of fabric in which you will see that the pore size is bigger, okay, in comparison to the हैंकी. सो आप देखेंगे मैंने आपको कोन तो अलग तरह से बनाना सिखाया है, बट बच्चों मैं इसमें इस तरह से फिल्ट्रेशन कर रही हूँ. आप देख सकते हैं नीचे वाटर पास हो रहा है, ओके. आई होप ये दिख रहा होगा आपको, ओके. एंड इट इज़ पासिंग वेरी क्विकली. वॉट इट shows that the particle size is the pore size of the fabric is much bigger, okay. That is why it has allowed some of the particles of soil also to enter, okay. So it is not a clear filtrate, right? अब हम दूसरा वाला देखते हैं. This is obtained in this case. अब सेकंड वाला करते हैं. I have tied, okay, the fabric like this, okay, and now I'm going to pour, okay, this muddy water, and let's see. You can see that the filtration is taking place slowly, okay, in comparison to the first one, because here the pore size of the fabric is much smaller, right? Okay, so here what we are obtaining is actually the filtrate, okay, the clear liquid, but this liquid is obviously not so clear as I have used a fabric here. But if I could have used filter paper, you could obtain a clear liquid, okay. This is how filtration is done, and you can see the difference in, you know, the filtrate that is obtained after by using a fabric which is having bigger size, okay, and this one, it is somewhat a better, you know, we got a better filtration while using this white hanky, right? Now the next thing that I'm going to explain you is loading, for which I have taken alum, children, okay, for showing you loading. Loading is what? Loading is done in order to quicken the process of sedimentation, okay. Now I'm dipping this alum Phitkery in the beaker, and you will see that the loading has started. The sedimentation process has started. You can see. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे सेडिमेंटेशन शुरू हो गया, और ये इतना ये यहाँ पे कि क्लियर हो रहा है यहाँ से, राइट? Okay children, now you can see the heavier particles of the soil, they have settled down. I hope it's clear to you now. मैं थोड़ा इसे डिस्टर्ब करूँगी तो फिर वही हो जाएगा. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, दिख रहा है आपको? लोडिंग इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, और इसको अगर आप थोड़ी देर तक और रखेंगे, आप घर में ही ट्राई कर सकते हैं आराम से, है ना? और आप ये एक्टिविटी करिए और देखिए कि हाउ क्विकली द सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस. वो सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस जिसमें आपको 15-20 मिनट्स लग जाते हैं, ओके, प्रॉपर सेडिमेंटेशन होने में, ये कुछ ही मिनट्स में आपको लोडिंग से के थ्रू आप देख सकते हैं, ओके. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट लोडिंग, राइट? आप देख सकते हैं वाटर की भी क्लैरिटी, ओके.